when I see my gang, my crew as a whole team, I trust them. You should trust them as well and put all.
You should trust them, Felipe.
To work for you, right? Because he's pretty much putting money there to work for you. That's awesome, right? So this is Dent. That's amazing play from Nick. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Bitcoin. Wait, then after I'll go over the question, guys. Okay. Yeah, Bitcoin. This is what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. That's in the 15 minutes. Okay. If you're looking at 1 hour, I just maybe change real quick this so you guys can see better. There we go. Looks better, right? So, okay. So if you guys look at this, it was a really strong candle closing above that level. It was a strong level for the previous all-time high. And sometimes we see this when. By
the way, if you look at where he's at, he's on trading view. But we could do the same thing in our
the high time frames, right? Look, this is the 4 out 6 hour put into the daily or 12-hour candle, right? Look at this. This was the previous all-time high, right? So Bitcoin was previously right here on 58,390, right? So what happened here was that Bitcoin tried to push. Let me look at it. Right. Bitcoin tried to push through this level, but since we had this harmonic pattern, it just retraced to gain perhaps more strength in the trend. And what happened was that we finally break through, right? That resistance level that was acting as a strong level that Bitcoin did not wanna like jump through or like go through, right? So now that we break through this level, we are having like, this is free for us. This is all discovery price is free now, okay? So unless we see this price like lose that support of that zone actually, and they have some retest and lose this trend line, right? Unless we see that, unless we see a sell-off or something like that, I believe this is going uptrend right now. This is going an uptrend right now. So Bitcoin is having a free field right now. Pretty much that's what's happening. Bitcoin, it's on a run right now. Okay, it looks really strong. If you look in the 1 hour candle here, it closed really strong above that level, right? Now we're seeing some weakness here, but you could just see a little retracement, a healthy retracement near the EMA or near this zone, I mean. And after that, we can see it push again to the target. So I was looking at the SwipeCoin app when it started, just showing you some of the apps calls, right? And if we go back to what I was going to show you guys, which was Picasso's trade, Picasso is looking at 62,000, okay, and then 64,500. All right, so 62,000 somewhere around here. See that? 60,100, 64,500 right there. Okay, so this is what he's looking at, right? He's looking at price to keep pushing, right? I totally believe that. Why? Because it's so strong above that resistance level, which was a strong level in history of Bitcoin, right? This is history of Bitcoin. The price never went above that level. Now we're there. We can see price play out somewhere around here, whatever, maybe go here, reach to somewhere above that level, right? But point is that this is bullish right now. We're in a bullish trend, which means that all altcoins can follow, right? This is what I'm looking for Bitcoin right now. Because if we know where Bitcoin is moving, the whole market's moving, right? So for me, Ethereum, I was looking at this. I was gonna send you guys an idea. Unfortunately, it happened on my slip. I was looking for this test right there, right? So it was like holding and holding and holding and holding, but I've seen this, and then boom, break that support, and then we go lower, right? So I really wanted to have confirmation that this is bullish, and it happened. It happened perfectly. It didn't really activate my alert, you guys can see, but this happened on my slip. Was 1 a.m. This is 4 a.m. pretty much, yeah, 3 a.m. yeah, pretty much. And what happened here, so you guys can see what happened with Ethereum right now, is that Ethereum was deciding right here. So it was like defining this support. Ethereum was defining this as a support, right, from here, the 11th, then another time here to 12, then for the second time here to 12, and then the third time here to 12, right? But point is that as we see that, I like to see the price have confirmation of bullish, right? Maybe flip this trend line or close some bullish candle, right? And yeah, it happened. Not when I was in the trading desk though, but it happened. And now guess what's going on? This is not the all-time high for Ethereum. I mean, this is different from Bitcoin, right? Because as Ethereum is closing above that high, this is not Ethereum's all-time high. So that's the main difference here for Ethereum, right? Ethereum still have more room to go, right? So I believe that Ethereum is gonna be following. So we still have that swing running from the early 1500s, right? And now the all-time high somewhere around here to 2035, somewhere around here, okay? Somewhere around here, okay? Somewhere around there. I'll do it like that. Yeah, okay? So now what I'm looking at it, I wanna see if it actually holds this as support, because I don't like to enter long when it's overextended, right? So this would have been an amazing play for us, or if it retraces a little bit back down like this level, 1700, right? But what happened is that Ethereum pushed following Bitcoin, and now we're looking to see if it actually holds this high right here, right? We are looking to see that. If it holds this high, actually, okay, since it's staying right above there. Okay, good. Yeah, I want to see if it's actually going to hold that. Okay. So it looks okay. Looks okay. I wouldn't enter right here, right now. I want to have more confirmation, but I mean, it's a little stop loss, to be honest. 150 pips still. The opportunity to have over, I don't know, like 1,000. Yeah, it's like a 10x move from here.
10x
so maybe
move.
I'll play this one for you guys over today. Maybe I'll send you guys this one on the app. I just want to see actual confirmation here in the 7 minute. Actually, if it holds on the 15 minute, that's better for me. And yeah, and if I see some bullish impulse on the 1 hour, that's even better, because right now in the 1 hour, like it's looking like maybe it's gonna retrace back, right? And we see the moving averages, which I mean I use the 50 MA mainly. Like maybe it's gonna catch up with the moving average somewhere around here, and that'd be beautiful. I mean, if I see this drop back down here, I'm sending you guys a trade to the upside, right? Because if that happens, we're gonna have Ethereum near the 61 or 50% Fibonacci level, right? So we could see it bounce from here all the way up, right? All the way up to the all-time high. So that all-time high, it's right there. You guys can see it. Okay, this is the highest point Ethereum has ever been in history, 2035. Okay, so right now we are running towards that all-time high. So we are looking forward to touch that zone again, and then we'll see what happens. Then after that, we'll see. Let me delete that Fibonacci again. All right, more. Okay, so better. Okay, so maybe we see that retracement, that'd be beautiful. But if not, if that holds, look at. Let me do it again. If it doesn't retraces, look. If it doesn't retrace back, look. This thing is holding a huge resistance right there. This resistance here, support right here, also some play here. What happened here? Resistance again. Okay, I'm putting maybe on the line chart. You guys can see it clear. Okay, so I mean, it doesn't look like that perfectly on the candle chart. Oops, I might do that. Okay, again here. Okay, so right now we're playing above that level, right? It looks like, actually looks in the line chart, it looks like we are holding above that level, right? So here it is, this zone that was previous resistance that reacted really hard back down. This was support, this was resistance. You guys can see that. I'm a price action trader, so I look at that like pretty often. But yeah, I mean, if we see that hold actually from there, I'm looking at this gonna push back to the all-time high, and maybe we can see some new price discovery. Okay, so I believe Ethereum needs to catch up a little bit with Bitcoin. Maybe when we see the updates and stuff, more money will start flowing into Ethereum, and then the updates maybe would help them, like, I don't know, like scale Ethereum transaction and network, right? It's gonna be more like attractive for investors and for daily users, right? Because sometimes Ethereum, like the fees are so like high that people rather blockchain, right? Maybe to use transaction, right? But since we have been starting to see a rise in this NFT madness, in all this NFT trend, right? With Ethereum blockchain, that also is going to help Ethereum like become more popular and more people using it, means more value for Ethereum. But thing is that Ethereum is not deflationary like Bitcoin. It is inflationary, right? Which means that
Hello?
Just gotta go to the
maybe
restroom real quick.
we'll see Ethereum like
Okay.
deflationary, which means that
Felipe?
it has like a fixed.
It just muted everything. Go for it. I'll be here.
Main level for me in Ethereum is right here. It's right here. Okay, this level of 1872, right there. If I look maybe in the 4 hour, just check real quick. Yeah, there's not other levels, right? Yeah, so that's the level I want to see. Okay. So yeah, pretty much that level. Okay. So if you guys look at that, pretty much we had that level here in the line chart. Okay, right there, right there, right there, and then another time right here. Okay, let's go back to candle. So it looks like we wanna hold that level, but we still don't know. We still don't know if it's holding that level or not, but it looks like that. What am I waiting for? I'm just waiting to maybe this average come up around here, somewhere around this support zone that we are looking, that's pretty important in time. Okay, and if we see it hold from that level, I definitely see Ethereum making that push maybe over the weekend, or like maybe coming 2 or 3 days. Okay, back to the all-time high, and then from there we'll look at it again. Okay, but this is the play I want to see. I mean, if it goes from there, or maybe like loses that level from here, right? it's either way, it's an uptrend for me. Okay, but right now what I'm waiting for, I'm patiently waiting for this big swing. Okay, I normally catch like over 1,000 pips swing, so yeah, I'm just waiting patiently for you guys. I mean, for this to send it to you guys. Okay, so maybe here that'd be beautiful. To be honest, that'd be beautiful to catch it somewhere around this level if we see it. Okay, if we see it come somewhere around this level, that'd be beautiful. If not, that's a beautiful zone as well that we're seeing is holding. Okay, so now I'm just putting my alerts here. And yeah, with that being said, I have over like 20 minutes already in class, 25 minutes. So, I'm sorry. Yeah, Ethereum was on my slip, guys, so I'm sorry for that. Dot USD, yeah. Dot, I like Polkadot. I like it. I like it definitely. Yeah, I mean, if we look at Polkadot, I've been writing Polkadot since, I mean, even before Kurt called it. This is my trade I'm still running here, this one. I bought Polkadot here, 32, right? And then I saw Kurt call it again at 35, so I enter again. So I added more coins to my portfolio, right? But yeah, Polkadot, I think Polkadot is going parabolic as well, since its applications, right? Polkadot and like the feature that it has and the approval that has been in the investor side. I mean, having institutions investing in Polkadot, and not only institutions, but I mean the whole cryptocurrency market, as we know it, I mean, we the users have been accepting Polkadot. I mean, I don't know right now what number is Polkadot right now on the market cap. Let me check. It's 5th right now. So that's strong for Polkadot, right? It's been in the top 10. So I still believe like top 10. If you hold these top 10 coins, your portfolio is gonna be good. XRP has been holding there, even though XRP was number 3, it's still holding number 7. And I really like XRP to trade, not to hold, because I don't hold that many coins right now, because I believe, I used to hold XRP more, but right now I don't hold that many. That many coins of XRP, but I started to take my profits out of XRP, put in some other coins. I bought Cardano, I bought RSR. That's maybe a new coin that you guys. VeChain. I put some money in VeChain. I already told you guys. I hold some IOTA, not much, but some IOTA. Okay, Tesos. Yeah, I have. Binance Coin. I bought Binance when it was over like $80. Okay. Uniswap. Yeah, this one's a really good one. Uniswap, right? I still believe Uniswap is going to continue to go higher, because Uniswap is like pretty much the same as Binance Coin, but for the decentralized exchange, right? So we have like centralized exchange, which means like Binance Coin has like an owner, but Uniswap is not owned by anyone, right? So like the trend right now is for the decentralization, right? So Uniswap is definitely, I don't know exact date where it's gonna keep to go higher in market cap, right? I can't tell you, but I still believe Uniswap is going to be one of the big plays for us. I see Uniswap in over 100. Definitely Polkadot as well. Cardano maybe in $5, $10. Okay. XRP, yeah, it will hit maybe $1 one day, maybe if it starts like not having again like being affected by this laws and all that government stuff, right? But yeah, pretty much a Polkadot, this is what I was looking at. Look at that. Every time I see those harmonic patterns, I'm gonna go back to candles. Okay. Yeah, every time I see those harmonic patterns, I just wait for that little retrace. And in crypto, sometimes we have like that big plane harmonics. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't, right? In this case, we had like a little move to the upside, and then that was pretty much a false positive. What happened? Boom, came back down. Okay, but what happens is that when we see that retrace from harmonic patterns, okay, we are seeing then the price push above that level that was active resistance. So I'm now waiting for Polkadot to close somewhere around here, somewhere around 38, because I definitely believe Polkadot is going to touch back again. Before, after we touch that level, then we're going to look. It will going to move. I mean, it was going to move. Okay, if we see that, definitely. I mean, and as you see Polkadot here still holding the trend line. Okay, I mean, we could see a retrace here. I mean, as long as this doesn't break the trend, we're good. We're healthy, right? We're healthy environment to the upside. Okay, so we could see that. I don't think it's going to retrace back again because I already made this huge retracement here. I added some points here when Kurt sent it. I mean, I've been holding from here, right? And some more coins like that I added. I mean, actually, these I'm trading on futures. See, holding my trade on futures, but points that I mean, I started adding to a portfolio like way lower, but somewhere around the $8, $10. But this play seemed so nice that I wanted to hold it on margin. Okay, and when Kurt sent it, I just added more coins, right? And boom, it was a really beautiful play to the upside. Okay, so that's a really good one. Some other coin that I wanted to show you guys is RSR. This one, I don't see everyone like talking. I mean, I don't see much people talking about this. Let me take this out. So yeah, this one I was late to the party, so I started adding this one here, 0.05. Now it's 0.07. I still believe it has potential to the upside. Has been holding still here. Okay. And yeah, it swept that trend line. Took out that trend line. Boom. And now it's taking out again that trend line. You gotta look at this. Okay. RSR. If you guys haven't looked at this coin, I'm looking at CoinGecko. CoinMarketCap is the same. Right? Some people say that CoinMarketCap is manipulated. So that's what I'm looking at. CoinGecko, so you guys can have some other option. But it's pretty much the same, guys. Pretty much the same with CoinMarketCap. You guys look at CoinMarketCap, right? So this one's called Reserve Rights Token, right? That's a CoinMarketCap of somewhere around $1 billion, right? Almost $1 billion. 24 trading volume. This is circulating supply is going to be only apparently like this is million, 100 billion. Okay. Rank is 83, so it's in the top 100. And I don't really look at CoinGecko, but let's look at it. So it says it's a governance token for the reserve project. Okay, RSR can be purchased for exchanges such as Uniswap or Binance. You can find, okay. What is the reserve project? Reserve currency. Reserve project aims to create a censorship resistant USD stable coin. So aims to create a censorship resistant, right? So you guys have heard about the trouble that we have with USDT, right? I mean, I hold USDT because I'm trading futures. And then I'm pretty sure you guys will have some surprises pretty soon, and you guys will see more educators like jump into futures as well, right? But point is this, right? I mean, you guys have seen that like USDT apparently doesn't have like the backup that it's supposed to have. I mean, because like USDT is supposed like for every USDT that is created, there should be like a $1. I mean, an actual dollar bill, right? That's like the backup that currency has. I mean, that cryptocurrency has, right? The USDT as a stable coin. But I mean, apparently USDT can be censored, right? USD could be like, I mean, sometimes could be shut down. I mean, there's been like some news that like USDT can have some problems somewhere in the future, right? Somewhere around the future, okay? But point is this. I mean, if I'm looking at this currency, reserve currency, let's keep reading. It says, so reserve project creates a censorship resistance USD table, which means that it's pretty much like decentralized, like no one can censor it. I mean, no one can block what we do with this. Okay, RSB and decentralized fiat on off ramps. Okay, ultimately, reserve goals is to create a new universal store of value, particularly in regions with unreliable banking infrastructure, regions where hyperinflation is an issue. Okay, so someone around here says reserve project is still phase 1, where they use the stable coin that was released. Okay, RSB is pegged by equal purchase of USDC, TUSD, and PEX. Okay, so right now it's still moving. Okay, I mean, this one is still on its front. This one is still being created, right? But as we see this project go up in value, okay, we'll see the actual token, the reserve token, right? This one right here also run up. Okay, so this is a cool project. We actually see that stable coins that cannot be censored. That's gonna be cool. And yeah, I mean, when I'm looking at these guys, I mean, if we see a retracement somewhere around here, I'll put an alert here. I'll send you guys maybe this one on the TikTok because I sent this on my TikTok. So I already told you guys to buy this. Okay, you guys are not on my TikTok just for the altcoin place because Ethereum is gonna be exclusively on Swipe Point, right? But for the altcoin place, I'm fine. I'm gonna put you the altcoin place here. I send VeChain. You guys can see that Polkadot here. Okay, that's RSR. I sent it here. Okay, so if I see a re-entry for this coin, I'll send it to you guys definitely, right? Because this one, I mean, the gain that we have seen, look from here to here was already 40x. Okay, 40, not 40x, sorry, 40%, 40% on return here to TP2. Then we retrace back down. I mean, and then from here we can see another potential 40% if we see that zone again. I believe that maybe we can find some resistance somewhere around here at that point. Okay, and maybe, just maybe, if it comes back down here, I'll put my alert here. Okay, put my alerts, because if it doesn't find resistance here, maybe here. But yeah, when it finds resistance and retraces back down, we're looking to keep buying this because it looks like let's check for all-time high on this. I think the all-time high of this is the place where we are, right? Yeah, that's the all-time high. So yeah, it's cool. Okay, so we're looking maybe RSR come back down and then go break through that previous high and create new all-time high all the way up to 10 cents level. That's gonna be amazing if we see that hold from there. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. RSR to keep pushing back up. Okay. Yeah, those other plays, VeChain, this one. Yeah, VeChain actually. Yeah, that's the only one I sent, I believe. Yeah, this one. This one we had a stop loss here. I didn't update it. I forgot. And let's see what else. We got. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you this project so you guys can follow up with this. Okay, that's a good one. And if you guys look into coins that are below $1, that are cheaper than $1, okay, and you can be able to buy like bigger amount of coins. When those coins go up in value, if they are like a good project like this, okay, you'll make more money instead of buying like Bitcoin, right? Because one Bitcoin is 59,000. I mean, if you check on the RSR BTC, check on that one because I haven't seen that chart, to be honest. Oof, look at that, guys. Oof, that's amazing. So on the Bitcoin chart, it actually looks like we are on a good point to start buying. So if you guys haven't bought this coin, maybe start dollar cost averaging. Maybe we can see like come back down because we already saw the USDT chart, right? But yeah, this is some other check. RSR, BTC, we only have it on this places. Okay, let's check on this one. Let me check on this one. Well, yeah, it looks better on the Binance, but yeah, it looks like we could start dollar cost averaging somewhere around here, but remember that down a little bit. So if you guys can see it somewhere around the support zone there, right? Let's go back to this one. Yeah, that zone, you guys can see that. Okay, which means that if you guys bought, if you guys buy this on the Bitcoin chart, remember, sorry, if you guys buy this in the Bitcoin chart, let's say you guys have Bitcoin, I don't know, over 1,000 whatever in Bitcoin, right? You guys put some Bitcoin here, okay? You drop some Bitcoin at this point, or any potential to the upside, right? So if this coin comes back up to the all-time high, which currently in this chart is somewhere around here, okay? Here, right? So if we, there you go. If we drop some Bitcoin there, we drop some coin there, then we see it push from there to here, okay, that's a gain of 130, 129, yeah, 130% almost. 129% on your Bitcoin, right? So if you put here $1,000, you're gonna be making like 1,200, almost 1,300 more close your 1,000, right? If you put 10, like potential is to like double and 30% more, right, of your coin. So you guys look at that into that, okay? So yeah, that's why I like this project. I've been flipping some coin with this project, also with Polkadot, mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, but yeah, and that's what I like about projects that are below $1 because we can see those gains like that. And if this goes parabolic, if this goes beyond that high, that's gonna be even more gain, more than 100%, and it can be, I don't know, like 200%, 300 maybe, right? Even more. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the comment, to the question. Okay, Ohio, what's good? First time. Happy to have you guys here. Hope you guys are learning something here. So we already had the projection for Ethereum trade, right? So we're just waiting to see what happens. And as we wait for Ethereum, we are looking at some cool projects like RSR. We really look at Bitcoin, we look at Polkadot, and let's continue to see what you guys can see here. Is it too late to jump into dots? I would just say, if you guys are looking to buy Polkadot, watch out for this resistance, watch out for that level, because I wouldn't buy there, but maybe we'll see it retrace from there back up into a trend line, and then you guys can add some there, somewhere around the entry prices that Kurt sent, right? I believe that maybe we can see another retracement there. I'm gonna show you guys, so you guys don't lose on Polkadot. So if maybe we can see another trade back 36, 35, and in that zone, you guys can add some, maybe, if we see that again. I don't know if we're gonna see it back again. If not, maybe somewhere around 36, yeah, 36, 35. Okay, but yeah, it's not too late. If you add to the portfolio, it's not late. If you're asking me if you can add to the portfolio, just dollar cost average, but remember that you're already in the uptrend. You're already in the impulse move. So it's already impulsing to the upside. So just watch out and don't put all your money there. Dollar cost average your position. Okay, these artists are looking beautiful here to find this chart. Beautiful. I like it. So if you guys haven't bought this, I would start dollar cost averaging this as well here. But remember, I expect it to maybe come back a little lower. But from here on the Bitcoin, looks amazing. Okay, keep looking at this, guys. I already made a quick video for buying session, so you guys can look at it here, Binance Future 101. But yeah, if you guys want me to go over Binance, I mean the whole website, maybe we can have another one some other time. Yeah, definitely. I'm definitely waiting for Ethereum. Definitely. I'm gonna be sending more trade. Unfortunately, the Ethereum trade, as I said, it happened on my sleep, but it was a beautiful trade right here. Pretty clear, pretty clear. I was sleeping, so I was not looking at Ethereum. But yeah, I was waiting for this trend line to be broken. I was already sleeping, and well, shame.
Said it like 10 times now that he's sleeping.
Let's go. Let's go here.
We all have to sleep sometime. You're on mute,
Change
so I
idea
can't hear you.
Swipe point. Okay, just check on Swipe point app, either the website or the app on the phone. You guys can have your MP4 ideas.
How you liking the crypto?
Change your ideas.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, Kusama was a great one as well. Yeah, he's been killing it on the exchange. Okay.
What's this guy's name?
Kevin Barquero.
I mean, I would say be
Barquero.
consistent of moving your profits, because sometimes people, I mean, they just,
Yeah, we can try the different educators and see
profits,
what's up.
they never move
Huh?
right?
We can see
So if
the
you
different
already make,
educators
I don't
and
know,
see.
even if
what's
it's
up.
$100, that buys you like 3 polka dots. I mean, less than 3 polka dots, but I mean, having that money there is having money working for you, and you don't need to be like managing that money, right? So you're gonna be managing that account like 1,500, and I would say if you don't have a bigger amount like that, I mean, the academy is gonna give you the opportunity to create that that income, right? So just real quick, I mean, if you don't have a big account, I mean, have you learned from this yet? I mean, did you like it? Did you enjoy it? If question is, I mean, if the answer is yes, then share it with someone else and build your business and put all of that money into your trading account, right? I mean, right now I'm at 50,000, but Nick is at Sherman 25. Imagine, I mean, and that's not his only business. I mean, P2K is not my only business either, but point is that, I mean, if I do not need that money, because some people think like, Kevin, I'm not doing that business because I don't need that money. That's cool. If you don't need it, then do it, because that money, if you're not gonna spend it or invest into someone else and into something else, I mean, just put it into your account, and every week you're gonna be having an income, and your account is gonna be bigger every week because you're putting money every week into your account. What I would do is that if you're trading M24 with us, or trading whatever trading platform that you're trading, if you take profit with us, okay, take those profits out of your account and put them into the portfolio. Okay, start buying Bitcoin, start buying Ethereum, and then just do it over and over and over and over again. That's just run cap. P2K, guys, is like 2,000 in Bitcoin every month. I mean, you don't like that? I mean, 2,000 in Bitcoin every month. It's not $2,000. It means like the academy will pay you in Bitcoin, right? Just real quick. That's what I believe. If you have a small amount. I don't think it's in a broker. You guys can. I mean, you guys need to check on the exchange. It really depends on your location, right? But I use Binance. I'm based in Costa Rica, Latin America, so like I have no restrictions here. But yeah, like you guys can. I mean, I saw Nick talking about KuCoin, this one. I show you guys. I think this one is a nice one. It's loading. Let it load it. It's loading real slow. Oh, apparently it has features as well. Look, features pro. So yeah, you guys can try this one maybe. KuCoin, Kraken, whatever. Apparently KuCoin is nice. because I've seen Nick use it. So yeah. Okay. I believe Ethereum is gonna hit 10K someday, 10,000. Like I was thinking this year that maybe this year is gonna be near than 5K. Okay, not because I mean, if we see the updates that they want to bring and price actions there, I mean, doesn't really matter about the updates or the fundamentals, but I mean, if price actions there, definitely gonna be there. Okay, and Ethereum is a little late compared to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin has been running faster, so yeah, it's gonna be some delay.
This guy's in Costa Rica. That's tight.
I don't change. Morocco was good. What about Bell? Have a look at that. Let's look at it real quick.
You think that's tight?
Yeah, because it's next to Nicaragua, where I want to eventually live.
Oh,
WSDT.
So I can trade from a different country.
It's already running. So
you're right.
I wouldn't buy this right there. Maybe here. Like good. Right now, maybe I will wait for the confirmations. But yeah, let's keep looking here. Yeah, exactly. Swipe coin. I mean, if you guys are not using swipe coin, I mean, that's the most important thing for us, actually, right? Swipe coin means everything. I mean, it's everything right here. Okay, swipe coin will tell you guys I mean, if you are not using swipe coin, you're not making like returns on swipe coin or taking advantage of swipe coin. I mean, start doing it, right? Because here, I mean, everything that I have been like explaining is on how useful you can be like applying swipe coin, and we have the scalper and everything, right? So okay, I mean, if you're looking to copy the traders already making profit without you like I don't know, making it difficult for you. No, let's see. I mean, I think RSR can be bought in. Let's check. Heat BTC Binance. I don't know if you guys can open a Heat BTC account. Is this Heat BTC though? I don't know. I'm gonna check on CoinMarketCap.
There's a lot of analysis, I guess.
But
Doing this.
it's real quick. I'll go here and check.
It's so much faster with high frequency.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3-minute trades.
We don't have to watch this whole thing.
No, it's cool. We got to know this stuff.
Okay.
CoinMarketCap.
Okay, apparently it's on Binance pretty much. Maybe try this one, Wobby Global. I don't know if you guys can open an account. If you guys are in the US, I don't know. Well, it's on Uniswap apparently with Rock ETH. So you guys can buy it like totally decentralized on Uniswap. That's a good one. Oh look, it's on Kyber Network as well. That's cool. So you guys can buy it like totally decentralized. Liquid. Yeah, just look into this. here you guys go into CoinMarketCap, look at RSR, and then look at here spot and trade it. I mean, you guys can buy in the spot. And for futures, you guys can have the Binance, FTX, Warby, OTX. I don't know if you guys can open accounts on these in the US, but check it out. Check it out. I'm not sure. But this one, FTX, Warby Global, OTX, apparently is having nice plays also compared to Binance, because Binance is, for me, is like the one that has the most amount of altcoins available, right? Binance. But apparently FTX has as well, which is a cool one. I know FTX, Warby, I know it. OTX, I know it as well. But I mean, I gotta be honest, I don't trade in those places. I trade on Binance pretty much.
At least he's honest.
Skip it. It still looks to be taking off. Yeah, let's go. Well, for me, I mean, future is better because MT4 is having big fees, really big fees right now, and also that, I mean, the variety of coins that you can trade on MT4 is really like, I don't know, like limited, right? It's limited. You can only trade like mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP with high fees, high spreads. And future spreads are way lower. Okay, I mean, it's not called spreads, but the fees that they charge you, sorry, the fees that they charge you are way better. It depends. You can trade. This is a good question. You can trade USDT futures or coin futures. If you trade USDT futures, those are to make more USDT. If you trade coin futures, those are to make back your BTC and ETH. I mean, last session, I told you guys about this exchange called Bybit. It's a futures trading platform. Apparently, this is decentralized still. So, I mean, if you guys are in the US, okay, if you guys are trading in the US and looking to have more plays for futures, okay, I mean, this USDT perpetual, I mean,
you can't use Bybit in the United States. You need a VPN.
Any altcoins right now, but well, yeah, pretty much this one.
We need to have a VPN anyway, man.
This exchange, you guys.
Oh, I know what I'm saying. Huh?
I'm sure you guys have VPN.
If we're gonna travel, we need VPN anyway.
Like Ethereum, Bitcoin, right?
But yeah, you're right.
You trade USDT, which means that you funded future with USDT. You put some USDT, and then you make a return back in USDT. But if you trade on the coin market here, okay, I mean, I'm actually putting Bitcoin and then making more Bitcoin. If I'm trading Ethereum, I'm trading Ethereum and making more Ethereum back. Okay, so yeah,
Makes sense.
I wanted to show you guys. So we're almost ready for the session. Yeah, Ethereum hasn't really sounded.
Goes over a deep analysis.
Still waiting for it.
This guy.
I see that. I see that right there. Looks beautiful pushing from there.
Do you have a VPN?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, I use one.
Slow. I mean,
So when you get a VPN, does it like protect just one computer, your phone, but what does it do everything?
Yeah. Well, mine does.
Yeah.
Which one do you have?
I'll send it to you. I'll log in and send it to you.
The one I wanted to buy was called Nords.
Yeah, I've heard of Nords.
Still gotta wait.
Whoa.
Bitcoin for life.
The actor is good. What quite a cool project.
There's an American flag that has a Bitcoin in it. I want to hang that one up instead.
Personally, that's what I think. Okay, FTX and OPA not available in the US. Yeah, you guys can try which one is better with a VPN, maybe. But I would recommend not putting big amounts of money into exchanges that you are trading with VPN. Okay, do not put all of your portfolio in an exchange that is not available in the US if you are US based. Okay, do not do that, please. Don't do that.
Please.
Right? Because I don't want you to lose your point. Okay, just try with maybe $100, right? Small amounts. Okay, and if you see you're making money with those 100 and not having problems with, like, withdrawing, I would say every time you have profits, withdraw the money. Are there brokers where you can trade crypto in the US? Not brokers, not brokers like exchanges. This one's for Kraken. Has features here. Features Lite, Features Pro. Let's look at Features Pro, see what's going on. Apparently it has US. I don't know if it's US based or whatever. But let's look at it. I need to create an account, but I'm not going into that right now. Let's look at, okay, these are currently, USDT margin contract is pretty much the ones they trade, and coin margin with this, this one you charge with the coin, and then you make back the coin, or you double, triple points, right? Or connect your coins. That's cool. So, yeah, here you have some coins. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, BSV, Link, Uni, Wi-Fi, EOS, Dot, Phil, ADA, ADA, Cardano, XRP, Litecoin, Tron, Sushi, Stellar, 1inch. All of these, apparently you guys can trade on futures. Okay, it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing, right? It's better than nothing. Try it out, guys. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this works or not. And I cannot try it because I'm in Costa Rica. You guys can tell me. You guys need to tell me next week. Which altcoins do you recommend holding for a long time? Oh, I would say stick to the place here. Stick to the place with exchange ideas. Stick to the exchange ideas, and then we'll be looking for more. But yeah, if you're looking to get started, if you're getting started right now, start dollar cost averaging. And if you don't hold Bitcoin, I would say start buying some BTC, start buying some Ethereum perks, and then from that, if you start buying Bitcoin, Ethereum on a weekly basis, only that is gonna set you a good play long term. Okay, long term. But if you want to have like bigger returns, then start learning to dollar cost average also on altcoin plays. And these altcoins are being sent on the exchange here in the exchange idea. Okay. Point is that most of these exchanges, they don't need like such a big. This one, Bybit. You guys do not need to verify anything. You guys create an account with email, and that's all you need. That's all you need. Only an email, and that's all. They don't ask you for password, photo, or any kind of photo. Okay. So yeah. All right, guys. So this is all right now. Yeah, you guys have any questions? Let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the session. Hope you guys had some cool time with me here. And
we did.
Yeah, no entries for me right now.
Thank you, Kevin.
Not every session we're gonna have.
Gracias.
Okay. But
from America.
Last week we had entries live. I don't remember. Yeah. Let's wait for this. Bitcoin looks like ready. Bitcoin looks ready.
Let's see if he reads my message.
It's beautiful.
You tell him.
Just thanks. Appreciate your analysis. We'll see if he says something.
The chart. Beautiful. Looks beautiful. Okay. Let's see what Bitcoin has to offer over the weekend. And get ready for for Ethereum, guys. Okay, here's gonna be sent as soon as we see it. Okay, as soon as we see it confirmed. Shame we missed this move, right? We can cut them all, but
See, if we were already in it, we would
at least
make
we touched
some
them
money.
real good. Okay, we're
Felipe.
still holding from the
Yeah.
15.25, so that's a big swing. We're holding from 15.25, somewhere around here. We're running. Show you. Around here, we're like over 3,000 pips in profit right now from our first swing sent. So yeah, I would definitely recommend because of trade arrows like that, like swings, I would recommend like start holding positions that you guys see that you guys can hold in opening targets, right? So you guys can make and take the most advantage of swipe point and entry. Okay. So guys, I'm so happy and grateful for all of you guys. Have a blessed weekend. And I hope you guys enjoy some free time this weekend.
Look, mine's right there.
For I don't know, personal development. To feel
Ernest, you can read it, guys.
enjoy your life,
It says
do
Thanksgiving.
something great, and prepare for the best week. Right, it's gonna be an amazing week for us in DCX and Swipe. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.